Hi everyone, in this lecture I want to talk about drawing on your Gantt chart using the format tab. If I go to the format and I am right now in the Gantt window, Gantt view, I want to just stretch this Gantt view and for example change the timeline for this one. Instead of let's say I put it in weeks, so I see extended, for example, task activities and the one that I see right now. And I want to add some, let's say, drawing to my Gantt. If I click on format and on the drawing, I have some drawing that I can put here. I can say, okay, pay attention. I put one, for example, arrow here, or for example, I can just put a text box here, say, okay, important milestone which is to be achieved. Or if I can put, for example, a rectangle here, or I want to say something inside, or for example put a text inside this rectangle, I can do so in order to be able to convey the message if I want to make a report from this. So very useful tools here. You can put polygons, you can put them like the other Microsoft products. You can put different, for example, features like send it to back, send it to front, when you are going to use several of these features. So this drawing is useful for making some highlights in your Gantt chart and just report it to your upper management whenever required. Thanks for watching. See you next.